Hello everyone, I am at the walk today at Hiranandani Estate, Thane, and this is a wonderful place to roam around, especially in the evenings. And this place looks really pretty and happy, and you can do some shopping as well as eat out. So today I had come down for a walk, and when I was feeling a little hungry, I decided to step into a restaurant to have some snacks. Look at this board. It mentions all the places which serves food over here, all the restaurants. So there are many restaurants located over here, but few of them have shut down here due to the pandemic. But I think a few of them are open. So the ones which are open are the good ones, and they serve good food over here. So it's a good place to hang out, and an amazing place to come along with your friends and just take a walk or chill out for some time. Here are amazing places for dine outs too. But here I am at Aromas, which is a cafe and bistro, and this place serves amazing tea, coffee, as well as frappes, milkshakes and nice juices. So if you want to enjoy all these things, you can come over here, as well as amazing cakes, pastries and desserts like apple pie and ice cream, as well as good snacks like fish and chips and shawarma, burgers, pizzas, etc. So this place really serves good food, and mostly they are continental food, which is lasagna, pasta and the likes. So it will cost 1500 approximately for 2 people, along with drinks. So drinks means soft drinks. They used to serve hard drinks before too, but now I think they have stopped. So they had some berry festival over here. I was looking for that. And look at this is orange and ginger mimosa. This is a drink which I had ordered, and believe me, it was really tasty. I really loved it. The beautification of Aromas is really good. There are various chains of Aromas around, and every chain is really well kept and beautiful and serves amazing food. So here is my fish and chips, the first thing which I had ordered, and it was really amazing. The fish is really crisp and it is fried with batter. The fish was very fresh and it was smoky hot. It was amazing to taste. So we have to apply a little mayo and we have to eat it, and it's a good snack, protein rich and amazing for you to eat if you really like crisp food in the evenings. So here I am enjoying my fish and chips, guys, and I totally recommend this to you. It's really tasty, so y'all can go ahead if you like eating non-vegetarian fish and chips. But this drink wins my heart and I really loved it. I would totally recommend this to you. So I would say that you all should order for this orange and ginger mimosa drink. It's really amazing. Next thing on my plate was this chicken shawarma wrap, and I would say that it was not that great because I have had better chicken shawarmas before, and this was a little bland to taste and I did not like it too much. So I would really not suggest this, but the accompaniments along with it, like the salad and all, was really good and I enjoyed eating that. So chicken shawarma will be 2 out of 5 according to me. So even though I I'm looking happy, I was not much happy with the chicken shawarma. So let me enjoy my drink. And finally the ratings goes like this for aromas. For taste it will be 3 out of 5, for ambience 3 out of 5, value for money is 3 out of 5, and service would be 4 out of 5 guys. So the next day it was a tough day for me guys. And why? Because I had to go to the dentist. So one of my tooth got decayed and I had to go to the dentist for a root canal. Yes, root canal is a little tough because of all the anesthesia and all the numbness and everything. So yeah, it's very tough, but I boldly went through it. And here I am walking towards the dentist shop, and the dentist was really good. She took care of me. She was really, not tough on me. So that was really sweet of her. And here I am waiting for my turn to go inside. So this was my third sitting of the root canal. So the anesthesia and all, the injections and all are a little painful. They inject us on the gums of the tooth. So they inject us all around the spot where the tooth is decayed, and we have to really go through just the pain of the injection. Otherwise everything turns numb and we can just sit back and relax, and they keep doing their thing, and we have to just keep our eyes shut and we have to go through everything that they do. And I had kept my eyes shut all through the time. So just for 30 minutes I had to sit there with my eyes shut, and she did all the job that she had to do, and I was done with it. So yes, my root canal is done and my cap is also fitted, and I'm all set for my life. So now what I do is I always brush my teeth no matter what. Even after one single meal also, I just go inside and brush my teeth. So that's the care I've started taking now of my tooth. And that's how you can save your tooth and from all the pain. So look at me. After that I decided to give myself a treat so that I cheer my mind up, because it was all stressed. Now I was going to a mall and I decided to treat myself with a wonderful ice cream. So I decided to step into frozen bottles. So here I am at frozen bottle and I'll be having an ice cream. Frozen bottle serves amazing ice cream, and I really love the ice cream jars that they serve. It's really the cake jar, ice cream cake jar is really amazing. You all should try that once at least. And even we get the jar for free. Isn't that amazing? Here I am at the food mall and I am having some biryani, raita and some rogan josh with roti, and it was amazing. The food mall food is always amazing and worth every penny. So always go to the food mall and have a good time guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and always be happy and always keep your teeth clean. Goodbye, see you.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.